Living room design ideas, interiors and pictures. Hi, I am Alice and you are watching Swing and Cradle. Please subscribe the channel and like this video to get more videos. What are some of the most popular living room decorating ideas? Country-style living rooms. A country-style living room design often include traditional features like large brick-built hearths, broad timber beams and carpets, although undecorated wooden floors work really well in a country-style living room. Large dining tables and accessories like candles can also be great additions. Minimalist living rooms. Drawing on the techniques of modernist architecture, minimalism is all about making the most out of as little as possible. Stark, sleek lines combine well with open space, strategically placed carpets and seating to simplify the living room as much as possible. The challenge is to create a harmonious minimalist living room without making it seem cold. Classic living rooms. A classic living room is spacious and has abundant light. Generally, classic designs have generous seating, bright colors and decorations, but will avoid any loss of balance or poise in the arrangement. Flowers are a fine addition to any classical living room, adding warmth and lightness to the arrangement. Rustic-style living rooms. Rustic-style living rooms are generally large, spacious and welcoming. Big windows and decorative curtains combined with brick fireplaces, sideboards and wooden floors, along with impressive timber beams to create living spaces where the whole family can spend quality time together. Modern living rooms. Modern living rooms sit between the stylish minimalist designs and the energy of classic designs. They are never cluttered or chaotic, with skillfully chosen decorations and accessories such as designer seating and lighting. A classically modern living room design will generally avoid bright colors, preferring pure white walls and muted tone.